Want to know how to turn a regular skateboarding video into something cool and exciting? Then don't miss today's tutorial. Let's dive right in. In VideoProc Editor, click Create Now to start a new project. Select a sports video. Click Add to import it. Select the video. Take a preview. You'll notice that the colors look a bit dull. So, let's first find the filter icon. Click on it to browse through different filter types. I'll choose Enhance Color from the basic category. Adjust the intensity by dragging the slider. Once applied, go back to the main screen. Now, let's add a zoom-in effect. Move the playhead to the frame just before the jump. Then click Add Keyframe. Move the playhead to the frame when the jump starts. Click Add Keyframe again. You can pinch to zoom directly in the preview window to zoom in. Scroll down to Basic Attributes. Select Scale, and fine-tune the parameters for more precise adjustments. Adjust the frame position in the preview window, then apply the changes. Move the playhead to the frame just before landing. Click Add Keyframe. Center the person in the frame. Move the playhead to the landing frame. Click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size and position to return to the original view. Preview the effect. You'll notice that the motion isn't very smooth. Now, let's go to the second keyframe and click this icon. Here, you can edit various keyframe properties. Since we defined location in the previous keyframes, let's choose the corresponding curve and apply an effect. Apply the adjustments and return to the main screen. Do the same editing for the fourth keyframe. Next, let's use Vary Speed for more advanced editing. Click Curve icon. Click Customize. There are already a few speed points set up for you. All you need to do is adjust the speed values of each point according to the actions in the video. You can also adjust their timing. If needed, click Add Point to add more speed points. Then apply it. Finally, let's match two effects. Click the New Effect button and choose Diffuse Effect. Adjust the duration. Go to Adjustment Parameters. Adjust the X direction and Y direction to align the effect with the person. Once that's done, move the playhead forward to add a shake effect. After that, click Export to export it out. That's all for today's tutorial. Download VideoProc Editor and try it yourself.